Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and the Mco Visa Card from Crypto.com is now supported in Apple Pay. So this is really cool, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. Alright, I've got my Crypto.com app launched right now. Crypto.com is a iOS-based and Android-based cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, just like Coinbase or Binance. But it has a lot more going for it. They have an Mco Visa Card, which you can use in the real world, and this is attached to your Crypto.com account. So at any time, if you need some extra spending cash, you can go over to your card interface in Crypto.com and hit the top up button. And then you can top up your card with Bitcoin, Stellar, Ethereum. A lot of different cryptocurrencies are available that you can use to top up your card, right? Just add it to your balance. And then you can go out and use that card anywhere Visa is accepted. You can also run to an ATM and pull out cold hard cash if you want to liquidate, right? So it's very convenient. And this happens in minutes, right? It doesn't take 3 to 5 business days to clear through your bank account. Really cool. And you can also top up your card directly with your fiat wallet if you want to do it that way as well. So it's very flexible. And it's very convenient, right? You can see here that I use my Crypto.com card to buy a lot of stuff, right? It's my go-to card spending money in the real world, especially when I want to liquidate some cryptocurrency. Now, also you can see that I can use my Crypto.com card to buy things on Amazon. Let's see if I can find it. There it is. I got an Amazon Marketplace purchase. I use it online all the time. But the one thing that I've been hoping for quite a while is the ability to use the Mco Visa Card in my Apple Pay, right? Because I'm a digital guy. I use Apple Pay all the time, so I don't have to dig out my wallet whenever I want to buy something, right? I just wave my phone over the register and it pays, right? But my Crypto.com card, I still have to pull it out. So, of course, it's a very cool metal card. It's very impressive, but I've often wished that I could use it with my Apple Pay. So let's set that up. Pretty straightforward. I'm just going to go over to my Apple Wallet. So we'll just go down to Wallet. Here, this is the Apple Wallet. Now, what I want to do is I want to add a new card, right? As you can see, I've got a lot of my credit cards and store cards stored in my Apple Pay interface. So I want to add a new card. So I'm going to tap that plus up there in the right top corner of my phone screen. All right, now I'm going to set up a new card with Apple Pay. I'll hit continue here. I'm going to tap credit or debit card. All right, and then I'm just going to scan my card. All right, it's interesting that my camera is up, as you can see, but it's not showing on my share screen, but that's okay. I'm just going to hold this over my Mco Visa Card. Actually, the Mco Visa Card has the number on the back, so I'm just going to lay it face down. All right, and the card number is, I can see the card number on my phone, but it's not showing up on the share screen. Probably a security feature, but that's fine, right? So I scan the number of the card, I'll hit next, right? And then I can see the expiration date is auto-filled here, but all I need to do is enter the security code. So I've got the card, I'm gonna enter the security code. All right, I'll hit next. And here we go. All right, I'm going to agree to these terms. And there we go. So it's kind of doing the blur for me because normally on my videos I have to go through and blur my card numbers and all that stuff, right? All right, now in this case I need to verify my card. All right, I'm going to need to call the bank that's associated with this card. All right, so I'm just going to give them a call real quick and complete this transaction. All right, so the card is pending in my Apple Pay and will get activated within 24 hours. So I'll cut the video off here. I'll come back after it's activated and show you how it worked, right? It was quick and easy. They answered they answered right away. I didn't even have to wait. Within like 15 seconds, I got an operator. So pretty simple. Okay, so I just received an email from Crypto.com informing me that my Apple Pay has been activated and I'm ready to go. So, and that was less than 2 hours. Okay, so I just got an alert on my phone that the Mco Visa Card is now ready for Apple Pay. You know, whenever I'm at a register or whatever, I double click the button on my phone, right? It pulls up my Apple Pay and then got my Crypto.com there, ready to go. Just wave it at the register and I'm good to go. So now I have the Mco Visa Card set up in Apple Pay. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. Don't forget I have a live stream every Friday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me for my live Q&A from Michigan, where you can throw out questions and I'll do my best to get them answered. Hope to see you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.